Fish tacos recipe. Preparation time, 30 minutes. Cooking time, 20 minutes. Total time, 50 minutes. Yield, 4 servings. Ingredients. For the fish. 1. 1 pound firm white fish fillet. 2. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 3. 1 teaspoon paprika. 4. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 5. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 6. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 7. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 8. 1 cup cold sparkling water. 9. Vegetable oil, for frying. For the cabbage slaw. 1. 2 cups shredded cabbage. 2. 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced. 3. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. 4. Juice of 1 lime. 5. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 6. Salt and pepper to taste. For the chipotle lime crema. 1. 1/2 cup sour cream. 2. 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. 3. 1 tablespoon chipotle in adobo sauce, minced. 4. Juice of 1 lime. 5. Salt to taste. For assembly. 1. 8 small flour tortillas. 2. Lime wedges, for serving. Instructions. Prepare the cabbage slaw. 1. In a large bowl, combine the shredded cabbage, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 2. Toss the ingredients together until well coated. 2. Adjust the seasoning according to your taste preference. 2. Set the slaw aside to marinate while you prepare the remaining components. Make the chipotle lime crema. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the sour cream, mayonnaise, minced chipotle in adobo sauce, lime juice, and salt until smooth and well combined. 2. Taste and adjust the seasoning as desired. 2. Set the crema aside. Prepare the fish. 1. Cut the fish fillets into small, manageable pieces for the tacos. 2. In a shallow dish, whisk together the flour, paprika, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. 3. Pour the sparkling water into the dry ingredients and whisk until a smooth batter forms. 4. In a deep skillet or pot, heat enough vegetable oil to cover the fish fillets for frying. 5. Dip each piece of fish into the batter, allowing any excess batter to drip off. 6. Cautiously place the covered fish into the hot oil and broil for 2 to 3 minutes for every side or until brilliant brown and firm. 7. Once cooked, move the fish to a paper towel-lined plate to deplete the overabundance of oil. Assemble the tacos. 1. Warm the flour tortillas in a dry skillet or in the microwave for a few seconds until pliable. 2. Spread a spoonful of the chipotle lime crema onto each tortilla, creating a base for the tacos. 3. Place a piece of crispy fish on top of the crema. 4. Add a generous portion of the cabbage slaw on top of the fish. 5. Squeeze a fresh lime wedge over the filling for an extra flavor. Serve and enjoy. 1. Arrange the prepared fish tacos on a serving platter. 2. Garnish with additional cilantro leaves and serve with lime wedges on the side. 3. Serve immediately and savor the delightful combination of textures and flavors. Tips. 1. To ensure crispiness, make sure the oil is hot enough before adding the fish fillets. 2. If you prefer a spicier crema, add more minced chipotle in adobo sauce. 3. Customize your tacos with additional toppings such as sliced avocado, diced tomatoes, or chopped jalapenos. Conclusion. These crispy Baja fish tacos with chipotle lime crema are a true delight for seafood lovers. Combining the crispy fish, tangy cabbage slaw, and creamy chipotle lime crema creates a symphony of flavors that will transport you to the coast with every bite. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply enjoying a weeknight meal, these tacos are sure to impress. Follow this recipe, and get ready to savor these irresistible fish tacos' incredible taste and textures.